Expand and simplify. X plus 3, x minus 3. And then we need to factorize x squared minus 8x plus 7. To expand and simplify, what that meant is we need to multiply out the factors. We've got two factors here, and if I multiply x by x and then x by minus 3, so x by x will be x squared. X times minus 3 is minus 3x. Then I need to do the same by multiplying 3 times x and 3 times minus 3. So 3 times x is plus 3x. 3 times minus 3 is minus 9. So now we need to simplify. We can now say x squared minus 9. So the answer to that would be x squared minus 9. Likewise, we need to factorize this. This is similar to general quadratic equation ax squared plus bx plus c. This is quadratic expression. The quadratic expression here has a equals 1, b equals minus 8, and c equals 7. So first thing I need to do is to find the product or sum of roots, sum of factors. So sum of factors, and that has to equal to b, which equals minus 8. I also want to find the product of factors, and that has to equal to AC, A times C, which equals 7 times 1, which is 7. So I want two factors. When I multiply them together, I get 7. When I add them together, I get minus 8. So minus 1 minus 7 will give, when you add them together, you get minus 8. So I'm going to leave the minus there. I need to make this minus 1x, so let's call that x, and minus 7x, which will give you minus 8. Now I'm going to take minus 8x here, and replace it with this new expansion I've got. So I'm going to write x squared minus x minus 7x plus 7. Now what I'm looking for is a common factor here. There's a common factor here, and there's a common factor there. So the common factor here is x. So if I just take that out and just write x as my common factor, and I'll get x minus 1. That's what's left. Minus, common factor here is minus 7. So I'll get x minus 1. If I expand this back, I get that. X times x, x squared, x times minus 1, minus x, minus 7 times x, minus 7x, minus 7 times minus 1, plus 7. So now I've got new factors, a common factor, x minus 1, x minus 1. So what I'm going to do now is write this factor out. X minus 1 is a factor. If I take x minus 1 out, I'm left with x minus 7. So I'm left with x minus 7. So therefore, x minus 7 is the other factor. So when you expand, when you factorize that, or if you expand this, you get that. And if you factorize this one, you get that. So the answer will be x minus 1, x minus 7.